What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your host, Mark. Thank you guys so much for stopping by today. I really appreciate you guys, every single one of you guys. Thank you for clicking on this video. You've seen the title, you've seen the thumbnail. I am back at it with another update for our 100 envelope challenge for 2021. Yes, round of applause, because it is going to be a phenomenal year. I hope you guys are joining the train. I hope you're hopping on the train for a ride, whether you're part of the challenge or you just want to hop on the train and kind of support me and motivate me throughout this entire year. This is a crazy challenge. Here you have it right here. It's the 100 envelope challenge. 100 envelopes right there. So far we have 2 envelopes, 4 envelopes, and this week is week 3. We're going to be filling 2 more envelopes with cash, and we are also going to be drawing 2 envelopes out of our box for next week's video. So far we got 34, 58, we got 73, and we have 96. So we do have some pretty good numbers. There's no low numbers yet picked. So far we've been picking and filling these envelopes with a lot of cash. So I'm excited because as the days and as the year goes by, as these months go by, it should be a lot smoother, guys. But you already know the deal. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you're new. We are on the road to 2,000. You already know I appreciate every single one of you guys. Without further ado, let's pull out these envelopes right here. We got number 65. And we also have number 40. I know last week I told you guys that this was number 4 because I thought that this was crossed off. But really it's 40 because Haley, my girlfriend, she's the one that filled out the envelopes. And she did indeed say that this is number 40. So without further ado, 40, we got to find $40 cash. Here I have it, 2 20s, $40. Let's fill envelope number 40 with 40 cash. All right, guys, let's do this together. 40 cash in the envelope. Little lick. Guess what, guys? Envelope number 40 is filled. So what you want to do, guys, is once you fill your envelope with cash, you're going to take your nice little 100 envelope chart. You can find it on Google or Etsy. You're going to cross off the number. So I just did number 40. Okay, we're going to highlight number 40. So as we go, we know all the numbers we've been filling up. 40 is in the books. We also have one more because every week we're doing 2 envelopes. Why? Because in order to finish this challenge within 2021, we have to fill out 100 envelopes, right? 100 envelope challenge, but we only have 50 weeks to do it. So each week we have to draw 2 because 50 weeks plus 2 envelopes is 100 envelopes. Simple math, guys, pretty easy. So I have number 65 here. I'm gonna wha-bam, whip out 20, 40, 50, 60, $5. We now have $65. We're gonna put it in our number 65 envelope. Oh, this is so fun. I love it, guys. I always get so motivated every Monday to do these because I love to motivate you guys, and you guys, I appreciate you guys motivating me. So we're gonna seal number 65, guys. 65 is now filled. So is 40. We crossed off 40. And I'm going to show you guys where I have my envelopes with cash. I'm going to put them here for now. Okay? That's that. We're going to cross off number 65. Where are you? 65, where are you? You are right here. We found you. Here it is. Number 65. Right there. Somewhere. Yeah, right there. So anyways, we got that. We did our 2 envelopes for the week, but you cannot forget, guys, we have 2 envelopes to draw. You guys ready? Shake, shake, shake. You know the deal. We stick our hand in here. We stick our hand in here with all the envelopes, and we draw one. So here's the first one. Face it down. And let's grab one from the bottom. Make sure I only grab one. I felt 2. And another one. So face those down. You guys ready for the reveal? Next week's deposit is 71. Wow, 71. And the second deposit is 17. 71. We got 71 and 17. So do the math. That is $88. $88 for next week. That is a smooth week. I'm so excited. Nice little light week. Not bad, actually. We got a big number and a little number, so that's going to be exciting. We got $88 to make next week. We're going to fill envelope number 17. That's the day my daughter was born, and we're going to fill out number 71. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit a big fat like. Guys, it's totally free. Please take 1 second, smash the like button, subscribe if you're new for more motivational videos. It is 2021. We're on the grind all year long, saving money, paying off debt, you know, working on new goals, investing money. Guys, it's going to be a great year. I'll see you guys in my next one, but I can't leave without saying, stay safe, but get money. Peace out, Mercado.